10 best appointment scheduling software and booking apps. In this video, we're going to be talking about the best scheduling and appointment booking apps that I found out there. Okay, and I researched them properly and I worked along with them. And I feel like these are the best applications out there because they give you seamless and fast working. They truly help you to run a proper business with your appointment and scheduling. They have proper recurring payments, and it's really fun to work with them. The first software that I'd like to talk about is called Square Appointments. Now, Square, as we all know, is a very popular software in the e-commerce world. Not Squarespace, Square Up, okay? Now, Square Up has a lot of features in its e-commerce software, and appointments is one of them, and they specifically call it Square Appointments because it is a branch of Square's main work regimen and work ethic. All right, so basically when it comes to working with Square, what happens is that you basically get a whole free experience of appointments. Okay, you put proper scheduling in your hand. It's all in one point of sale for booking, payments, and more. Okay, SquareUp is going to handle the main admin, and you're basically just going to go ahead and set up the schedulings, get the payments, and you're good to go. You can pretty much simplify your scheduling with SquareUp, where you can manage your availability from the app and enable customers to, basically go through and manage all of their booking appointments or classes online. You can maximize your point of sales. So check out at the counter, keep a card on file, or send an invoice. Their point of sale is extremely flexible. Obviously, you're going to put people first, prioritize your customers and your staff with client profiles and team management tools. You can run your business seamlessly. And the best part is that you can take payments with your phone. So you can accept contactless payments and digital wallets with just a tap. No extra hardware is needed, and it's quick, easy, and very secure. You can made to match your craft, so you can pretty much select any business type that you have, like professional services, home repair, cleaning, tutoring, and music lessons, hair and beauty salons, barbershops, etc. So SquareUp really gives you the whole regimen for it. Now, the plans and pricings for SquareUp are the free plan, which is $0 a month. Then there's the plus plan, which is $29 a month. And then there's the premium plan for $69 a month. So the free plan, obviously per transaction that you make on this plan, so 2.6% plus 10 cents in person, okay? You get unlimited staff accounts, custom booking, website and social media integrations, integrated payments, automatic text and email reminders, and you get automatic contracts with a proper marketplace for your beauty and personal care discovery. Then obviously in Plus, you get more features where you get everything in Square Appointments free with customer confirmation texts and emails, cancellation policies and fees, scheduled classes, waitlist, and appointments reports. Then in Premium, you also get everything in both of these and much more advanced accesses, okay? Now, the best part about Square Appointments is that it lets you integrate with other applications to make your work much easier, much simpler, and much faster in my case. Now, the integration softwares that you can pretty much work along with is stuff like Wix. We have QuickBooks, JotForm, Homebase. Then there's hardware built specifically for every business like Square Register, Square Terminal that you can integrate with your Square Appointments and work along with. So it's pretty incredible and pretty cool stuff to have. And you can work with it in any industry, like restaurant industry, you have retail, beauty, services, and a whole lot more. So it's pretty incredible, and Square Appointments really rounds the whole appointment scheduling up, okay? It gives you a proper regimen, and it gives you a clear and much cleaner idea of how appointments work, okay? So it's pretty incredible stuff. And I definitely urge you to use this because in this list, I am going to be naming a lot of appointment softwares, but I definitely put Square Up with the top 3 because it's definitely seamless. It has the proper features for your working, and it definitely belongs in the top of the list. So yeah, this is Square Up and its feature of Square Appointments. Now let's move on to the next software that is, one of, again, the most incredible softwares for your appointments. So this software is called Set More. Okay. Now, I don't know if you've heard about Set More, but Set More is a totally free online appointment scheduling software. Okay. It's best for keeping unlimited appointments. You can grow your brand, not a marketplace, and highlight what makes your business special. All right. So you can organize your businesses 24/7 and you can do it pretty much immediately. The account sign up is pretty much free. And even setting up the appointments is totally free. Okay. They don't take any money from you. Obviously, they do take a little tax transaction from each transactions you make with your customers. But generally, it is a good regimen to stay on because you can pretty much stay one step ahead by sharing your online booking page, and every new appointment lands in your calendar. You can reach global customers by one-click Zoom or Google Meet video meeting links. You can get paid in advance, which is pretty incredible. So, before every appointment schedule, you can get payments in advance and forget about pretty much chasing invoices by accepting payments easily and securely online. Then obviously there's no more no-shows as well, where you can let Set More fire out personalized email or text reminders to every customer. Now, you get 3 main steps to success. So you can create your booking page to display your services and real-time availability online. You can show your business in its best light, add your logo, branding, and an Instagram stream with reviews. You can also max out your calendar by linking your booking page with your site, Facebook, and Instagram. And you can see actually a lot of big companies, a lot of big names work with Setmore, like HubSpot, Business Insider, Zapier, Entrepreneur, TechRadar, and even Forbes. So pretty incredible stuff. And the best part is that it's totally free and it can also give you an application. So not only can you manage things from your laptop, but you can also do it remotely on the go on your mobile application devices, because your Setmore application will be seamless. Okay. You can also believe the hype, spend more time providing memorable customer experiences. It's totally free. It's incredible. And it gives you tons and tons of integrations, like with Square, Instagram, Facebook, Zoom, Calendar, and a whole lot more. Now, you can give the customers to power to book anytime as well. So feature your free QR code on marketing, merch, and more. And if people scan it, they are going to be booked with your appointments. Okay. With all our self-booking and easy payments, free online appointment scheduling softwares will help you fill your calendar in much faster. So pretty incredible and pretty, straight off and easy stuff to get your mind around. Then also, all the customers receive around the clock support from Team Setmore, where you can reach out by phone, chat, or email. And, pretty much your journey means everything to them. So it's pretty incredible. And they do send out a good message for all the customers that exclusively work with them. So it's pretty great and pretty fun stuff to have in a software that is feature based and, you're pretty much working on it. So really cool and really incredible stuff to have in your workspace. And obviously you can go ahead and see more of the perks that they provide to businesses, because Setmore gives you unlimited appointments, a mobile app, recurring payments with premium plans, class booking, and task management for a small fee. Okay, so it has a pretty decent structure. And even if we go into pricings for the monthly billings, the free plan, obviously $0 per month, you can go up to 200 appointments a month. Like, that is incredible. So 200 appointments, you can accept payments. You have your very own custom booking page, which is pretty cool. Because most people, what they do is they just go for a generic booking page, and, it's not the most attractive bit to have. But, you can pretty much get a custom booking page, which is pretty cool. Having a feature like this is pretty nice. And you get your very own customized iOS and Android apps, customized notifications, email reminders, and you can even integrate with your favorite apps. Then we move on to the pro users, where you can get unlimited appointments, accept payments. You have your very own custom booking page, iOS and Android apps, customized notifications, SMS and email reminders. You get pro integrations with a lot of different leading apps. You get recurring appointments, two-way calendar sync. You can even remove Setmore's very own branding, and you donate 1% of your money to plant trees. Okay. And obviously then there's the team plan, $9 a month, which is obviously for multiple people. Pro is for one person. Teams is basically pro, but for more people. So, generally set more is pretty cool. And it does give you a lot of things to work with, especially with its integrations and features. And, its basic vast, embroadenment in the different industries that are present in now's world. So pretty incredible and pretty great stuff to have and pretty great stuff to be up and running with. So, that's Setmore and how you can use this incredible software. Again, starting price is free and the rest plans are $9 and $12, which is pretty cheap for a proper software that can scale you and give you a lot of money. Okay. Now, the next application we move over to is another pretty famous application right up there with SquareUp. Okay, this application is called Calendly. Now, Calendly is specifically made for scheduling. Okay, it's an application that tons and tons of enterprises and businesses use to basically run their businesses, and it's a software that allows you to very easily manage all of your business workings. You can do proper easy scheduling with it, and it's not only you can join 20 million other professionals who easily book meetings with the number one scheduling tool. Okay, the best part is that you can sign up free with email. No credit card is required. It takes you straight into the software, and you can actually see the companies that work along with this. So Compass, L'Oreal, Zendesk, Dropbox, Gong, Carnival, Indiana University, DoorDash, Lyft, and a whole lot more, which is pretty cool. These are big names that are using this software. So it should tell you that, hey, okay, if they're using it, this software is probably doing something right for them. And Calendly is easy enough for individual users and powerful enough to meet the needs of enterprise organizations, including 86% of the different Fortune 500 companies that work with them. You can move on to scale your business by connecting your calendars. Okay, Calendly connects up to 6 calendars to automate scheduling. So, in the case that you do run a very hefty business and you have a business that, scales quite a lot, you do need to make sure to have multiple calendars to keep track of what's going on and what's not. And Calendly is the best in that because Calendly allows you to keep up to 6 calendars in their space, and Calendly obviously goes ahead and divides the work between them. That is how incredible Calendly is. You can also add your availability, where you can keep invitees informed of your availability, take control of your calendar with detailed availability settings, scheduling rules, buffers, and more. You can also connect different conferencing tools like Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, GoToMeeting, and a whole lot more for, personal meetings, personal calls, and, just meeting up with clients, talking to them, asking them, if the services are good, or, just setting up a proper scheduled booked meet. Okay. You can also go ahead and customize your event types, where you can choose from people pre-built templates or quickly create custom event types for any meeting that you need to schedule. You can also share your scheduling links, where you can easily book meetings by embedding scheduling links on your website, landing pages, or even emails. Then moving on, you can also connect Calendly to the tools you already use, like, Zoom, Salesforce, you have Google Calendar, Slack, Teams, Gmail, Outlook, Google, WebEx, PayPal. We have ActiveCampaign. We have Intercom. You can move over to Typeform, Stripe, and a whole lot more. So a lot of incredible softwares to work with and a lot of incredible softwares to actually scale your business with. And obviously, it says that it's more than just a scheduling link. Calendly functionality goes way beyond just a scheduling link, with a lot of customizable, automated features to help you and your team achieve goals faster. You can quickly find and share scheduling links from your inbox, LinkedIn, CRM, and more. You can get automated workflows, which basically boost your attendance and save time by automating reminders and follow-ups. You can get routing forms by instantly qualifying route and scheduled meetings with high value leads and customers directly from your very own website. You have different scheduled meetings like round robin and collective events, where you can pool your team's schedule together to offer more booking options to customers, or automatically combining availability to quickly schedule different types of co-hosted calls. You get admin management, where team admins enjoy tools to streamline onboarding, ensure consistency, and track scheduling trends, maintain their security standards, and much more. Now, you can also pick the perfect plan for your team, Okay, you get 4 different plans. You have the free plan, which is definitely always free. You have the standard plan, which is $10 per seat per month. And then you have the Teams plan, which is $16 per seat per month. So, pretty cool and pretty incredible plans and pricings to go with. You can discover how businesses grow with Calendly. You get different types of, investments and return on investments and how much increase they caused. It's built to keep your organization totally secure, and you can pretty much power up your scheduling and scale all these tools for yourself, for your business to, properly run and scale in a good way. Now, if we, you know, talk about is Calendly worth it, I would definitely say it is. And, by now, from all the appointment scheduling softwares that I've actually used, I would definitely rank Calendly on number one because Calendly's ease of use is nothing like the other softwares. It's totally free, no credit card required. The pricing's pretty low, and the products and the features that it provides you, in related to all the working that you have to put in to work with this, it's pretty seamless. Okay, and it works incredibly in my opinion. It gives you a good idea on how proper working regimens are set it up, and how you can get a general work ethic going on with your scheduling and appointment. Okay, so it's pretty cool stuff. And again, great scheduling automation for more than 20 million users worldwide, where you can create different scheduling links, team-based scheduling, workflows, and integrations can be set it up. You can automate your experiences designed for your whole organizations and a whole lot more. And obviously, you can explore the different things out of the sales team with the CRM integrations. You can even do website bookings by driving prospect action. You can create different types of landing pages and forms for your users. You get lead routing, where you can connect with high value leads and instantly book qualified meetings from your website and match known leads and customers to reps based on real time Salesforce and HubSpot assignment. You get different automatic reminders by setting up meeting workflows. You have fast sharing, where you can book without interrupting your flow. And then you have reporting analytics, where you can access data to pretty much keep improving and fine tune your schedule based on your buyer schedule. And you can also stay in sync from any app on any device. You can reclaim your time and your tabs with native integrations with over 70 different apps and mobile and browser apps for easier access. Now, Calendly for browsers is also pretty incredible, but you can use it for your mobile, specifically for CRM applications and for specific payments. So, as you can see, Calendly is a pretty up and running software, and it gives you a proper idea on how powering prospect meetings are gone through and how they work along with each other. So yeah, generally this is Calendly. And again, I would definitely rank it at the number one spot for all the industries that you're using to book your scheduling. All right. Now, moving on, let's go over ahead to the next application, but I just like to summarize Calendly once again. The key features for Calendly are syncing with major email services providers and email reminders with paid plans. You get group events and mobile app and task management. So, it's a winner. Now let's move over to the next application, which is again ranked pretty high on the Forbes Advisor. So this application is called Zoho Booking. Now, Zoho Booking is again another software that is used for different things like CRM, because Zoho is a very popular CRM platform, but they have created a separate chain of work. Okay. And this chain of work is for online appointment scheduling, it's for booking, and it's pretty much your appointment scheduling made simple. So Zoho Booking is intuitive appointment scheduling software that empowers everyone to schedule meetings effortlessly with bookings that you can avoid phone calls, back and forth emails, and repetitive tasks. You can let customers self-schedule while you grow your general size of business. Take back your time with separate, effortless schedulings. You can customize your availability, add your available times, and sync your calendars. You can share your booking links by letting clients see your availability from a custom booking page. And then finally, you can pretty much go ahead and get booked, where you can have clients schedule appointments for their preferred time slots in just a few clicks. Now, the best part about Zoho Bookings is it works 24/7 for you as a business, okay? You get a whole booking page where you can create a customized page that shows your booking availability, okay? Customers can choose their very own preferred date and time to schedule an appointment. Then moving on, you can also do proper team scheduling where you can share your team's collective availability and have clients choose their favorite staff member or assign someone for them automatically. You can also get scheduling rules where you can set up scheduling rules like cancellation windows, time zone presets, and scheduling intervals to get booked based on all of your preferences. You also get calendar syncs where you can sync your schedules by connecting your Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, or even Zoho Calendar and never worry about getting double booked, which is pretty incredible. You can also meet online where you can integrate video calling tools like Zoom, Google Meet, MS Teams, and Zoho Meeting to meet your customers online. You can also go ahead and update your CRM by pushing leads to your CRM software and nurture them with the meetings that you have. You can use their Zoho CRM integration or connect to your favorite CRM app yourself. Notify and remind where you can reduce no-shows with automatic emails. It's pretty much like an abandoned cart checkout email. So if anyone leaves an abandoned booking, you can notify them with an email, which is an automated response. Then you can also collect payments where you can collect a deposit or a full payment upfront for your various appointment types when customers schedule an appointment for themselves. So it's trusted by leading businesses worldwide like Zillow, Mprofit, VML, iStore, Luke Cooting, Climb, and a whole lot more. You can also schedule solutions to scale your business by getting professional services, recruitments, education, schedule stories from businesses like yours, okay? You can manage all these appointments on the go. And gain complete control of your schedule, all with just a click away. And you can even use Zoho Booking on a free 15-day trial. Okay, and there is no sneaky fees. Okay, you will add in your card. That's the one downside, that you will need to add in your credit card, but do not worry because they won't cut money from your card. Okay, they will only do it if you keep using the Zoho Booking software after the 15-day trial ends. Okay, so pretty incredible general software, and it also has pretty nice pricings to work with. So if I go over to the pricings, we can see over here that it has scalable plans for any different service providers where you get online meeting integration available on all plans. So you get the basic for teams aiming to streamline their appointments and online meetings with clients, which is pretty much $6 per staff per month. Then you have premium, which is $9 per staff per month. And the features you get are extremely scalable, like customizable confirmation, reminder, and cancellation emails. You have round robin allocations. You can invite multiple guests, reports on appointments and staff, Zapier integration, automatic time zone conversion for customers, brand color palette for the booking page. You can add custom fields to booking forms, browser extension, mobile apps for admin and staff, and you pretty much get everything in basic with portal sign up for customers, booking page hostings, and a whole lot more. So it's extremely scalable. It's definitely a very, you could say, in budget plan pricing, and you have a very flexible outlook in relation to the features, because the features are absolutely incredible when we think about it. And, according to those, if you work along with this, you're pretty much set to go. You're pretty much in a good workflow. So Zoho Bookings, I would say, is the best for your resource management because, if you want to schedule things and at the same time manage all your resources, this is the best place because it's a CRM as well. So the key features would be email reminders, round robin appointment allocations, time zone conversions, group events, and recurring events with your proper paid plans. So this is Zoho Bookings, another great, scheduling and booking software. So this obviously took the 4th spot on our list. Now let's move over to the 5th spot. Okay. So the 5th spot definitely goes to Appointee. Now, Appointee is another appointment scheduling application. It's totally online, and I wouldn't use it a lot, but it is pretty good for a startup business. You can discover the easiest way to automate your scheduling and grow your business. Again, online scheduling software for better appointment management that cuts hours of admin work, where you can accept payments, reduce no-shows, you can manage your staff, get more clients, and do much more with Appointee. And again, the free plan is free forever, no credit card required whatsoever, okay? Now, if we dive more into the product tour and get its features, first of all, you can see the multiple platforms that give it good reviews. So we have Capterra with 4.7 out of 5. We have Crowd with 4.7 out of 5 and Google with 5 out of 5. And even Forbes Advisor gave it a strong 4.3, which is a good score. Now, Appointee has simple, functional, powerful, no compromise applications where online appointment scheduling softwares have everything that you need to grow and manage your business with in one easy to use and powerful user interface. You can schedule things online, eliminate email, callback, and forth with web-based scheduling. You can boost all of your productivity, automate daily tasks to improve staff productivity, and manage your entire schedule in one place. Attract all of your customers by getting bookings directly from Facebook, Instagram, Google, and your business website. You can retain customers by understanding your customers better and delivering your personalized experiences. Appointee also has the ability to serve almost any business segment, okay? Your appointment management software is fit for professionals, service-based local businesses, and mid-large enterprise across, okay? It gives you all these features like health and wellness, education. You can go ahead with medicine, fitness and recreation, salon and beauty, professional services, government, other services, and a whole lot more. It goes on. Their customers love their products. Don't take their word for it. See what they have to say about it in their online appointment scheduler. Okay. And, they've been recognized on a number of global platforms like Mashable, TechCrunch, Google Apps Marketplace, Times of India, PC World, with a lot of great affordable scheduling tools for everyone, which is totally free. Fully functional 14-day trial is also given. Again, free, growth, professional, enterprise. These are the 4 plans they have. And these are the 4 plans you can pretty much mingle around with. You can see which one actually works for you. And the scalability to the features is really nice. It's pretty much incredible. And, you can get these new different types of bookings along with the working. And you can truly get an idea of how proper booking apps, work along and go into all of this stuff. Okay. It's pretty simple. It's pretty easy. And, it gives you a good general idea of how you're going to want to work along with these things. All right. Now, moving on, once we have discussed about this, let's move over to the 6th spot on our list. And the 6th spot is Doodle. Now, Doodle, again, another free online meeting scheduling tool. So Doodle is basically an application that was created by Google. Okay, it's a professional scheduling made easy application where it's the fastest and easiest way to schedule anything from meetings to the next great collaboration. So it's called creating a doodle, where you can just create a doodle and you book an appointment or schedule an appointment. It's trusted by 70,000 plus companies, 2+ million meetings scheduled last month. You have enterprise level security, and you can start taking appointments in the matter of 5 minutes. Professionals of all types are given to you, where you can get more done with Doodle, get any kind of work or client meeting booked fast. You have good recruitment, where you can meet with candidates faster and stay in your own workflow. You have good board meetings, okay? Juggle the big agenda, not their overbooked schedules. You have sales, where you can show your clients your availability in just a few clicks. Good education from office hours to faculty meetings, keeping your organization running smoothly. You have good nonprofits, where you can meet your people and promote your cause without scheduling getting in the way. Freelancers, where you can focus on delivering your work, not coordinating with clients. And enterprise scheduling, where you can speed up your company scheduling without compromising security. It's all pretty incredible stuff. And it also gives you great integrations to actually get an idea on. Like, again, Google Meet, Zapier, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and a whole lot of other integrations to help you, get a really strong dive into how you can collaborate with all these other softwares to get a general idea of things. Then again, the best part is that it's totally free and you can try it without a credit card. But if you do want to get into the individual pricings of the different plans it has, then we have around 3 plans. The free plan, which is $0, where you get unlimited group polls, unlimited sign-up sheets, 1 booking page, 1 one-on-one, Google Meet and Zoom web conferencing. In the pro plan, it's $6.95 per month, or if you per year, it's $6.95 per month. It would be $14.95 with no ads. Again, all of these features, and then $19.95 on the Teams plan, which is again just a pro plan, but for multiple people. And obviously, the more users you add, the more money you're gonna have to give them. So again, Doodle, a pretty incredible software, and it takes a decent spot at the number 6 place. Okay, now let's move over to number 7. So number 7 would, in my opinion, definitely go to simplybook.me. So simplybook.me is a pretty straightforward name for the website. So simplybook.me is another free application that allows you to, go ahead and set up all these appointments. And it's a great online booking system for all services based on industries. You can simply define your services and providers, display their availability, and you will have clients both old and new making bookings 24/7. And again, get a free account with no credit card required. You can work along with enterprises and industries. You can also get a lot of scaled features. So, accept online bookings where your own mobile optimized booking website or integration with your existing site. Also accept bookings directly via Facebook, Instagram, Google, or your own branded client app. You also have notifications via SMS or email with reminders to staff and clients whenever. You get client and admin app where you can basically offer clients your own personalized client. You can accept payments where accepting online payments and deposits is a piece of cake. You have integrations and API with Facebook, Instagram, and Google My Business. And then you have custom features like coupons and gift cards and tips and a whole lot more. So enhance your in-store payments for your clients. With simplybook.me's admin app, you can offer a smooth and convenient payment experience. Process payments against your client's store credits are available with display on-site QR codes for direct mobile payments. Okay, you can go ahead and enable tap and pay for yourself and integrate with terminals where you can encourage clients to pretty much leave any type of tips that you can ask from them. And it's pretty good for encouraging different types of payments. And when using payment providers that support Apple Pay and Google Pay, the payment process is, pretty much becomes a breeze because it's contactless payment, which is pretty cool. And you can also see the different templates it works along with. So the minimal template is a minimalistic theme designed for those who love beautiful modern design. It is perfect for beauty salons, therapists, and a whole lot more. Then we have classic design, which is template for, businesses that offer soothing, romantic, or relaxing services like decorators, wedding planners, or other service business. And then Bell, which is a theme elegant with its beautiful pastel colors, again for wedding planners and event planners. So simplybook.me basically has whole templates for your booking website related to every different separate niche that you're working along with. And if we actually move over to other softwares, let me show you what we are working with. Now, moving on from, all of its recurring features, you can also go into its pricing to actually see, what it's all about. And Simply Book Me's pricing is also pretty cool because it has a lot of plans to work with. So annual and monthly. And first of all, obviously there's the free plan, totally $0 per month. Then we have the basic plan, $8.25 a month, standard plan, $24.9 a month, and premium for $49.9 a month. And obviously it includes a lot of great features to work with, and all plans include, scheduling, booking websites, administration, email and browser notifications, and a whole lot more. So again, another impressive application. Now let's move on to the number 8 spot on the list, which is Fresha. Now, Fresha is specifically made for booking, beauty and spa services, but you don't necessarily need to use it for that. You can use it for other, schedulings as well. Now, the best part about Fresha is it's the world's best online booking software for beauty and wellness, unlimited possibilities, and subscription free. Now, the most value that it gives you is appointment management, calendar management, mobile access, automated scheduling, client database, online payments, availability management, client management, and recurring appointments, which is, a big winner. It's pretty incredible, and it gives you pretty decent features. And the best part is that it has no pricing. It's totally free, and it's really fun to work with. So Fresha is again in the top 3. On number 1, I would definitely put Calendly. On number 2, we have SquareUp, and on number 3, we have Fresha. Okay, so again, a pretty incredible application to work with, and pretty decent to start yourself off with. Okay, now the number 9 spot would go to Wix. Okay, now you're probably wondering, isn't Wix a website builder? Why are we adding Wix in this? Now, the reason I'm adding Wix in this is because Wix actually lets you do scheduling for your website as well. So you can manage appointments and your e-commerce store all in one place, okay? So that is what Wix does. It helps you manage all these things all in one place while working and managing your, basic website. You're working on your domain, working on your basic store. It's pretty easy and pretty fun stuff to get your idea around. And, it's just generally pretty fun to work with a software like this that gives you an all-in-one developmental fact check. Okay. And the best part about Wix is not only that it's the world's most top leading website software out there, but it's totally free. Okay. You can manage your bookings, payments, staff, clients, reminders, and more from totally one place. You have online scheduling, where you can showcase and offer your services with a professional online scheduling platform, create and customize your site from 500 plus design templates, and streamline your business by managing your schedule with an all-in-one booking solution. You can also display services, timetable, and pricing. You can turn leads into clients directly from live chat. And you can also collect client info with custom booking forms. It's all pretty good, pretty great, and pretty tight stuff to have in your workspace, okay? And the best part is you can sell services and drive your revenue and fill up your schedule by selling your services right from your website. It reduces the back and forth communications by letting your clients easily book your services from your calendar. And again, you have things like appointments where you can let client book private meetings with you. You can set up classes where you can sell recurring services that client book one time. You have courses where you can sell a complete set of online and pre-recorded services, reach clients by anywhere taking your service online, and then you have bundle services as well. And at the same time, you can manage your calendars. You can payment and do payments and financial solutions where Wix gives you Wix payments, PayPal, Stripe, Alipay, and much more. You get different membership packages to accept recurring payments, staff management, client management, business scaling and growing. It's all available in Wix. And that is why I would definitely suggest Wix for people that are not only, willing to run an appointment scheduling software, but at the same time, also running a website or a store. Okay. So it's a good way to promote your business and scale pretty high up in the rankings. Okay. So that's Wix, and you can use Wix appointments, and that is the number 9 spot on the list. Now, the final spot that goes for this list is Brevo. Okay. Now, again, you're all pretty shocked to wonder why is Brevo here, because Brevo is, an email marketing software. They basically go ahead and give you a whole solution where you can schedule your appointments and grow with online appointment scheduling, where you can book meetings, host video calls, and collect different payments all in one place, all with your Brevo meetings. It's an award-winning CRM suite where you can discover their appointment scheduling software. It's better appointment scheduling, which starts here. Okay, it's extremely streamlined. It helps you manage your meetings all in one place and make you a lot of money. You can also create different customizable booking pages where Brevo Meetings takes the hassle out of the appointment booking process, simply setting up your booking page and allowing customers to book meetings in real time. You can also customize your booking page to match your brand identity to let customers see your real-time availability and choose from different meeting types: in-person, telephone, or video. You can add the booking page to your website, email signature, or social media channels as well, where you can provide seamless customer service, improve your productivity with your automation, and get a whole lot of more features. Now, if you do want to go ahead and use Brevo for yourself, here are the pricing plans for Brevo. So obviously, for the whole solution where you get appointment booking and scheduling, it's obviously the free plan, the $0 per month, where you get customizable things, transactional emails that you can work along with and integrate with your appointment booking and scheduling. And you have things like Starter, which is ideal for growing business, starting from $9 a month. You have Business, which is starting from $18 a month, and Enterprise, which obviously gives you a custom price to work on with. You can also customize your very own plan depending on how you're going to want to use Brevo. It all depends on you. And again, Brevo is incredible because not only can you manage your appointment booking and scheduling, but at the same time, you can work along with your marketing platforms as well. So yeah, these are the 10 incredible and most used appointment booking scheduling apps out there. And again, out of all of these 10, all of them are pretty incredible and you can go ahead and use them as you want. But the top 3 that I would suggest are Calendly, then we have our basic Square Up, and after both of them, I would definitely put Fresha up there, okay, or Simply Book Me. So these are the top most used and best feature packed scheduling apps out there. Do make sure to use them and let me know down in the comments below which one you think is the best for you. But yeah, that is pretty much all there is from me. Now, if you enjoyed this video, do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great and incredible day. I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.